In today's video, I'm working on a 20-inch canvas. This is a circle canvas, and I really enjoy working on these for a slightly different outcome and shape. I'm doing another pendulum pour. I have black for my base. I'm just going to put a nice coat of the base paint down, and then I have a metallic purple and a metallic pink that I'm going to use for my pendulum pour. For my base coat, I'm just using a sponge brush and some Jo Sonja carbon black paint. I like the sponge brush. I get a really nice even coat without leaving a lot of brush marks. And I also make sure to get the sides completely covered so that I don't have any of that white canvas showing. With my paints, I have mixed both of them with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water. They are really nice and thin, and with my bottle, I believe I have a 16-ounce bottle that I'm using, and I filled it most of the way up, so I'm probably using about 12 to 14 ounces of paint, so quite a bit. It was a little bit thinner than I had wanted, but it still dried really well, and with the colors being metallics, it looks really nice. I put both the pink and the purple in the container so that there's a nice blending of color on my palette. I have my string set up. I just have it attached to a bracket that my husband drilled into one of the studs in our ceiling. And I'm still getting used to the string. It wobbles a little bit, so I'm going to be trying out some other supplies so that maybe I can get a better outcome. I just have tape on the bottom of my container so that once I'm actually ready to pour, I can just remove the tape and then let it go. With the paint being thinner, it did pool up in a few areas, but overall I really like the design, and I like how I still got some negative space on each end where you can still see that black paint. The one thing I did notice with this one, I think since I thinned my paint down more, I didn't get a lot of drips that I've had in some of my others. So I think this is just going to take some trial and error to see what a really good consistency is so that I get those nice lines of paint without getting some of those drips at the end.